Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, December is upon us, and we're seeing a little bit of a pullback, a little bit of a chink in the armor. We traded as low as 52. Highs were 75.25, so we pulled back about 23 handles from the highs. You've got the middle band sitting at 20.45.53. So, as I was saying last week, if we get a pullback, you have to be reasonable in your expectations. I don't think anybody that's looking for 100 or 100 plus handles on a move lower is being reasonable in their expectations. Doesn't mean that it couldn't happen. Just means you need to be reasonable in your expectations. The 50-day exponential moving average and the lower band are coming together at about 2006. On a break of the middle band at 45, I think that 2005 to 2012 is probably the most you're going to see on a move lower. In the bigger picture, this pullback, whatever it is, whether it stops right here, whether 52 is the low or we see something deeper, is a higher low versus the 1813 to 1815 floor. You get into some very interesting levels in the 20 to 21 area and the 25 to 26 area. Those areas were potential floors, 35, 36 as well. Any one of those could hold and bounce the market. So if you're short, that's fine. Take some profits, roll your stops down, but don't get complacent and think that this is going to go so much farther such that you end up round tripping a perfectly good short trade. Okay, so that's my best piece of advice for this morning. It's the first of the month. It's typically a bullish setup. It's certainly not acting that way right now. If we do pop, I would expect the 9-dayer here coming in at around 61 to act as fairly consistent resistance. It did last night. We got into the 60 to 62 area, and that stalled it out in Globex. I would expect a retest of that area today during the regular session. If that breaks back down and you start to create a ceiling at 60 to 62 versus a floor, then maybe the bears can make a little bit of headway over the next couple of days. So we are pulling back. We have pulled back. We're at over 20 handles from the highs. But for now, it's a lot more about potential than reality. So roll your stops down, temper your expectations. If you're looking to buy a dip, there's going to be a dip to buy. We've got to see where it lands, but there's plenty of support floors to choose from. On a break of 52, though, I think the trip to 45 should be pretty quick. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room, first of the month. Fantastic time to start. Got a lot of new people in there. We would love to meet you and help you with your trading. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.